Jimin BTS is back and he's stealing hearts. Witness how he set the stage ablaze at a Busan charity event with charm and energy that left ARMY in tears of joy. What's the secret behind this epic performance? Don't miss the moment that gave everyone chills. Hey ARMY! If you thought Jimin of BTS had already won your heart, wait until you hear about this. Fresh from completing his mandatory military service, Jimin made a jaw-dropping return with a mesmerizing performance at a charity event in Busan that left everyone, from lifelong fans to casual onlookers, speechless. Picture this. The stage lights flare, the crowd roars, and Jimin steps out with that iconic smile that could stop hearts. What made this performance so unforgettable? How did ARMY around the world react? Stick with us as we dive into this unforgettable night. Don't you dare click away, because this story is packed with surprises. Imagine yourself in Busan, Jimin's hometown, where the air buzzes with excitement and love. On this unforgettable night, a charity event called Busan Habitat Challenge took place to support better living conditions for the elderly in the city. But hold up, this was no ordinary charity event. When Jimin's name was announced as the closing act, the crowd erupted into deafening cheers. Thousands of fans filled the venue, waving their glowing ARMY lightsticks, transforming the place into a sea of twinkling stars. Even before Jimin took the stage, the energy was electric. Like waiting for a supernova to explode, Jimin, who completed his military service on June 11, 2025, appeared with a more mature aura but still radiated his signature charm. With his slightly tousled black hair, yet perfectly slaying, he rocked a simple yet elegant outfit, a loose white shirt with rolled-up sleeves and sleek black pants that highlighted his sharp silhouette. But ARMY knows it's not just his visuals that steal the show, it's the way he moves, sings, and connects with fans with genuine warmth. Before we dive into the performance, let's set the scene. This wasn't just another event for Jimin. Busan is his home, the city where he grew up, where his father's cafe, Zmilinal, has become a pilgrimage site for ARMY. In fact, Jimin personally donated 30 million won, approximately $22,000, to the Busan Habitat Challenge, proving he's not just an idol but a compassionate figure who cares deeply for his community. One fan in attendance, Rini from Indonesia, shared her experience on X. I flew all the way from Jakarta for BTS Festa and this charity event. Seeing Jimin perform in his hometown? It was like a dream. He's not just a star, he's a hero to Busan. This emotional sentiment wasn't just hype. Jimin's deep connection to his hometown shone through, and that night, he proved why he's Busan's pride. And JOY.AS the stage lights dimmed, the music swelled. Suddenly the iconic intro to Serendipity filled the air and the crowd's screams shattered the night. Jimin glided onto the stage with movement so fluid it was like he was floating. Every step was deliberate, every gesture told a story. ARMY in the audience couldn't stop chanting Jimin. Jimin. And we bet those watching the live stream were screaming just as loud at home. He delivered a breathtaking medley, Serendipity, Filter, and a jaw-dropping surprise, the first ever live performance of Jimin in English. His voice? Still as smooth as silk, but now with a new depth, perhaps shaped by his life experiences during military service. When he performed Filter, the stage transformed into a vibrant sea of colors with dramatic lighting, and Jimin danced with an energy that kept every eye glued to him. One ARMY posted on X. Jimin in Busan. He's not human, he's an angel. His dance moves, his voice, the way he smiled at the crowd, I was crying on the spot. And that wasn't all. Mid-performance, Jimin paused to address the audience. With a voice trembling with emotion, he said, "Busan is my home, and you are my family. Thank you for being here tonight for a good cause." Q. ARMY melting into puddles worldwide. This charity event wasn't just about Jimin's performance, it was about making a real difference. The funds raised through Busan Habitat Challenge will go toward improving homes for underprivileged elderly residents in Busan, including areas near Jimin's father's cafe. It's proof that Jimin shares not just his talent but also his heart. The fan response on social media was explosive. On X, like hashtag Jimin Busan and hashtag Busan Habitat Challenge trended worldwide within hours. One fan wrote, "Jimin isn't just an idol, he's an inspiration. Singing, dancing, and helping his community? He's the definition of a real hero." Hashtag Jimin Pride, even local media, like the Korea Herald, hailed Jimin's performance as a moment marking BTS's new chapter post-military service. Globally, ARMY joined the celebration. The live stream drew millions of viewers with comments like, "Jimin makes me want to book a flight to Busan right now," and "fresh from the military and already slaying like this? Unreal." The viral moment solidified the Jimin impact. No wonder he skyrocketed to number 2 on the K-brand index just a week after his discharge. One moment had ARMY around the world in tears. At the end of his performance, Jimin grabbed the mic and shared a heartfelt story. "During my military service, I thought about you all the time," he said, his voice cracking. "I missed the stage, missed hearing ARMY's voices. Tonight, I feel alive again." His eyes glistened and the crowd? A sea of tears. A fan in attendance, Jenny from Indonesia, shared, "I couldn't stop crying when Jimin said he missed us. It felt like he was speaking directly to my heart." This moment was a reminder of the unbreakable bond between Jimin and ARMY. Even after 18 months away from the spotlight, he returned with the same, or even greater, love. Jimin's Busan performance wasn't just one epic night. It was a bold signal that BTS is gearing up for a full comeback. With all members completing their military service, Suga is set to be discharged on June 21, 2025. Rumors of a BTS reunion in March 2026 are heating up. Events like this show that, even while focusing on solo projects, Jimin and the members keep ARMY and bigger causes close to their hearts. The event also cemented Jimin's status as a cultural icon. Beyond earning fan praise, he recently won the Korean Wave Award at the 34th Seoul Music Awards on June 21, 2025, proving his influence in K-pop remains unshaken. Jimin of BTS returned in a way that was not only stunning but deeply moving. His performance at the Busan charity event was a reminder that he's not just a K-pop star but a compassionate soul who cares about the world around him. From jaw-dropping dance moves to heartfelt words that melted ARMY's hearts, this night will live on in our memories. If Jimin's performance inspired you, let us know in the comments. What was your favorite moment from this show? Did you have a blast watching the live stream? Hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe so we can keep bringing you the latest BTS updates. Oh, and if you want to support causes like this, check out more details on the Busan Habitat Challenge website. Let's spread Jimin's love to the world. As the final notes of Be Mine echoed through the venue, the crowd's energy reached a fever pitch, with fans chanting Jimin's name in unison, their voices reverberating like a tidal wave across Busan's night sky. The stage setup itself was a masterpiece, minimalist yet striking, with a massive LED screen projecting abstract visuals that complemented Jimin's fluid choreography. The production team had clearly poured their hearts into creating an immersive experience, blending soft pastel hues with bold bursts of color to mirror the emotional depth of his performance. Every twirl, every glance toward the audience, felt like a personal gift to ARMY, a testament to Jimin's ability to make thousands feel seen and cherished. Beyond the spectacle, the event carried profound significance for Busan's community. Local organizers revealed that the funds raised, bolstered by Jimin's donation and the event's massive turnout, would directly support over 100 elderly residents, providing safer homes and essential resources. Jimin's involvement didn't just amplify the event's reach, it sparked a broader conversation about giving back, with fans on X launching campaigns to continue the momentum. One post read, "Jimin's heart for Busan is inspiring us to do more for our own communities. #ARMY for good." Jimin's post-performance interaction was equally impactful. After leaving the stage, he surprised fans by joining a small meet and greet with local volunteers, signing autographs and sharing words of encouragement. "You're the real stars tonight," he told them, his sincerity leaving many in tears. This gesture underscored his humility, a quality that has endeared him to millions. As clips of these moments spread online, international media outlets like Billboard praised Jimin's ability to balance global stardom with genuine compassion, cementing his legacy as more than just an idol, but a cultural force for good. The Busan Habitat Challenge not only highlighted Jimin's star power but also underscored his commitment to social impact. Organizers reported that the event raised over 500 million won, approximately $370,000, with Jimin's involvement significantly boosting donations. Local officials praised his contribution, noting that the funds would directly improve living conditions for Busan's elderly, providing safer homes and essential resources. Jimin's presence turned a local initiative into a global movement, said a city representative, emphasizing how his participation drew international attention to the cause. Fans, meanwhile, continued to celebrate Jimin's authenticity. On X, ARMY shared stories of how his performance inspired them to engage in their own communities, with some launching donation drives in his name. A fan from Brazil posted, "Jimin showed us that one person can make a difference. I'm starting a fundraiser for my town because of him." His influence also extended to younger K-pop idols, many of whom cited Jimin as a role model for blending artistry with philanthropy. As the night's energy lingered, Jimin's heartfelt connection with Busan and ARMY reaffirmed his legacy, not just as a performer, but as a catalyst for change, leaving an indelible mark on hearts and communities alike.